hurts a little bit, but not.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a nighttime cleaning routine. Our cleaning routine usually starts after dinner. This is what I usually do every single night to set me up for success the next morning. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, welcome. I am so glad that you are here. I make motherhood videos, clean with me videos, shop me videos, and so much more. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So be sure to hit that red subscribe button before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. So before the girls go to bed, they're going to clean up their toys and put the toys back that they brought out throughout the day back to their room. Right, girls?
Yes.
All right, let's go. By the end of the day, our house is turned upside down, especially the kitchen and living room. But it's okay, the kids are awesome in helping me clean and tidy up. So before the kids go to bed, they're going to help me put their toys back in their room.
Kinda quiet in my room right now without you. And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you.
And if you thought the family room and kitchen room was a mess, the living room and dining room is a mess to you guys. Look at all this stuff. All the shoes are on the floor, water bottles, instruments everywhere, and toys everywhere. So their girls are also going to help me clean this up too. Let's go.
I met you in the summer. You know it still hurts a little bit.
Bella's birthday just recently passed, and the girls got a lot of new toys. So we're going to declutter their toys again this week, and we're also going to decorate the walls in their room, which they are super excited about. So be on the lookout for that new video coming out next week.
It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall sometime.
This area of our house is like our catch-all area. I don't know what it is, but this is what happens when I leave it alone for a few days. So it was definitely time to tidy it up.
A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you.
Good night, I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
Good night, I love you.
I love you too. Good night.
Once the kids are in bed, I usually put a load of laundry to wash if the laundry basket is full, and lately it has been.
Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. Picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you.
So now that the kids are finally asleep and I just put a load of laundry to wash, it's time to tackle this kitchen. I need to put the dishes away. I have a few things in the sink that I need to wash. I need to put those pots and pans away and the fruits away. And it's gonna just basically tidy everything up. So I'm gonna get to that right now. I feel like I cannot sleep unless my kitchen is all cleaned up. Let me know in the comments down below if anyone else feels the same way or if I am the only one. I hope you guys get a lot of cleaning motivation from this Clean With Me After Dark and that it gives you that extra boost of energy that you may need to help get your home back in order. Trust me, you will thank yourself in the morning when you wake up to a clean and tidy home.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head.
This was such a busy week. I totally forgot to make banana bread. I had this really ripe banana that I was supposed to use, but I'm just gonna freeze it and use it for a breakfast smoothie tomorrow morning.
Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. I want you to stay with me when you're
I had leftover cake from the other night, so I'm gonna put everything into one Tupperware and throw the container away.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You're all I'll ever need. All night.
The kids have been obsessed about making paper airplanes. I think we've made about 20 already. It's so cute to watch them play with them and they get so excited to see which paper airplane is the fastest. It's such a simple way to entertain your kids. Now moving on to the other side of the kitchen, I'm going to clear off the counters and put the leftovers in the fridge.
But it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy.
So what have you guys been up to this summer? Have you guys been taking any family vacations, using your pool, or grilling outside? We definitely have been grilling out more. We've been taking late night walks. This is our first summer here in Florida and it is really hot out here, but we are loving the weather so much.
I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you.
The counters had a lot of crumbs, so before I wipe them down, I'm going to clear them off with my hand and napkin.
All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You're all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You're all I'll ever need.
Now it's time to wipe down the counters, and I'm using my favorite, which is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the honeysuckle scent, and this just smells amazing.
Think I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around back
Earlier, hubby washed the dishes for me while I was giving the kids a bath. Now that they are dry, I'm going to put them away.
I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your
I only had a few items in the sink, so I'm going to wash it by hand instead of putting it in the dishwasher.
time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight. 'Cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high.
Next, I'm going to quickly tidy up the family room and wipe down the tables. You guys, this little table here I found for free in the Facebook Marketplace. The kids love it so much. We do homework on it, they eat in it, they do their arts and crafts on it. We do so many things on this little table and they just love using it.
Love what it's all about, and how to make you smile again. Something that I want.
Once everything is all cleaned up and put away, I'm going to sweep the floor so that everything is nice and neat for the next day.
I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, something.
Melanie's birthday is this month and I can't believe she's going to be turning 5. We're definitely going to keep her birthday safer than what we did for Bella's birthday. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any cool but safe birthday ideas.
Yeah, we could try to leave it all behind, and we don't have to think about it. Oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe.
Normally I would use my Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner to clean up the floors, but hubby was in the other room working on the computer doing some work and I didn't want to interrupt him, so I used my broom instead, which I also love to use.
I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
Next, I'm going to mop the kitchen area using my Swiffer spray mop, which is super easy and simple to use.
'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody. 'Cause all you need is someone true like you are.
I'm also thinking about getting a new steam mop too. I've heard so many good things about it. Let me know in the comments down below which one's your favorite to use and which one you recommend. Now moving back to the living room and dining room, I'm going to quickly tidy it up before I go to bed. Next, I'm going to take 5 minutes to make a to-do list and plan for the next day and look through my calendar. This sets me up for success for the next morning.
You know that I'ma keep it cool With you I feel like breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue, on the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation and inspiration. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next one. Bye!